Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to format internal storage on DJI Osmo 360. Remember that formatting your internal storage will delete all photos and recordings. Hold on a second. Okay, never mind. Will delete all photos and recordings from your internal storage. So if something's saved on your SD card, it's fine, but if it's saved on your internal storage, then it will be deleted. If you want to continue though, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to the right and click on the SD card icon. Now you can click on storage and click on format internal storage. Then slide to format, and now formatting was successful. Let's go back. You can see the internal storage is now empty. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.